Standing by for the initiation of the engine start. The second umbilical has been retracted. We have main engine start. Engines coming up to turbo speed. All engines at flight speed. And liftoff. We have liftoff of the 65th Progress resupply vehicle, beginning a 2-day journey to the International Space Station. All engines performing nominally. A good roll, pitch, and yaw program reported from the blockhouse at Baikonur. Good control of the vehicle. Good vehicle stabilization reported. The Soyuz delivering 102 tons of thrust from its first stage engine, disappearing into a cloud bank. All vehicle parameters reported performing perfectly. 1 minute 15 seconds into the flight. Everything continues to perform nominally on the first stage performance of the Soyuz booster, with the Progress 65 cargo craft encased in the upper stage of the Soyuz. We're coming up on solid booster separation and first stage shutdown. And we have confirmation of the separation of the first stage of the Soyuz booster right on time. The Soyuz booster and the Progress resupply vehicle, 30 miles in altitude, 73 miles downrange from the Baikonur Cosmodrome, traveling at 4,000 miles an hour. 2 minutes, 40 seconds into the flight. The second stage engine up and running in good shape. All parameters reported to be functioning normally. And we've had shroud jettison, so the Progress now exposed as it continues its trek uphill to its preliminary orbit. We're at the 3-minute mark into the flight. Good vehicle stabilization reported. The Soyuz booster tracking in perfect shape. All control system parameters are normal, reported by the blockhouse in Baikonur. And the second stage engine continues to fire in nominal fashion. Good control of the vehicle with 5 minutes of powered flight remaining. The second stage engine providing 96 tons of thrust as it continues to move right down the pike towards its preliminary orbit and spacecraft separation of the Progress resupply vehicle. Four and a half minutes into the flight. We're coming up on second stage engine shutdown and second stage separation. We've had second stage shutdown and separation, aft skirt separation, and the third stage is up and running. Third stage engine up and running. The third stage providing about 30 tons of thrust to complete the Progress's climb to orbit. Will fire for just under 4 minutes to place the Progress into its preliminary orbit. Coming up on the 5.5 minute mark into the flight, everything proceeding on track.